Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm actually trying to catch carp for bait for tomorrow. It was sunny earlier, then all of a sudden just got cloudy and windy and looks like it's about to rain, but I'm gonna still try to catch a carp because I'm gonna try to go for gar tomorrow. And today I'm actually gonna try to keep one if I can catch one. They're not as, this place isn't as active as it was the other day. Brought some reinforcements rods in case in case four rods wasn't enough. I got 2 more. Still using the same Jello, panko, and sweet corn mix. I'm going to show you actually how I mix it all as well this time. Busting out my Penn spin fisher for this since it has a bait runner on it. But I'm going to switch these lines out on this rod and this other rod, and then I'll put the bait on. Go from there. Alright guys, I'm going to show you exactly how I make my mix. So, empty cup, I'll pour just about maybe like half a cup of corn in there. Get my panko bread mix. Do about half of the cup, about a cup I guess in there, and then I'll get my Jello and just cover the top of the mix, like just like that, where you can't see the panko mix. And then I'll get my corn juice that I drain out of the sweet corn, and I'll just little tablespoon probably, and then I just get my knife and I swish it around. Swish around just like that. It'll start to chunk up. You can do it in a bigger bucket if it makes you happy. This is all I got, so this is what I'm working with. If it's not really sticking together very well, maybe just add a little bit more bread. It kind of dries it out. Bread mix. Put a little dash back in there. If you touch it and it feels still kind of wet, put a little bit more bread mix in there. Panko mix. Do not add any more Jello. Once it's red like that, I mean, that's all the flavoring they really need. Do not add any more corn. It's kind of just finding an even ratio of the juice and the bread mix. That little bitty juice, and I know some spilled from the can in there as well, but it really doesn't take a lot of juice to get this bread mix like nice and wet. You can just tell as you're chopping it up. If it's harder, it gets harder, it gets thicker. It gets harder and thicker. You can tell that you're almost done. And then that's pretty much what it is. I mean, if you can start to shape it just with your knife or with your hand, if you have a bigger bucket, then it's good to go, man. So I'm gonna put some on my rod, and I just scoop it with my fingers and kind of mush it together in the cup before I take it out and waste any. It's gonna fall apart either way in the water, but I'm trying to just make sure I get a good ball going first. And all I'm doing is just basically packing it in my hand. If anything falls off, it falls back off, and it falls back in the cup. So see, pull it out, it's like a ball. And then this is where I come over here. When it's a ball, I just pretty much smash this weight in the ball. And then I get the end of the hook, and I just lay it in there as well. And then I ball it back up. And then pack it some more. Just make sure it's nice and tight, and that's it. It's gonna bust open once it hits the water anyway, but at least get you out there. And those carp will immediately start coming to you, man. Got one. Come over here. Ooh, ooh. No. I got you. He took off real fast. I had to get up real fast. Okay. Oh. Let's see if I can go underneath my rods right here. Use my net on him. Got him. She's perfect keeper size actually too. Alright guys, I'm out here gonna try to gar fish today. The weather conditions are not what I want them to be, but I don't have time to wait until next week for it to get warmer with this bait. So I'm just gonna try to use it. See what we can do. Have my girlfriend with me. It's time to see if she produces any luck at all. But I got fresh carp from yesterday. Windy conditions, cloudy. I know there's still a monster in here somewhere. We'll just see if he's hungry today. I'm also gonna carp fish as well. Got another bite. Hopefully. Just chewing on it. Hopefully he takes it. Just gonna let him chew on it just a little bit longer. Damn. Baby, come over here. Okay. I know, I need you to reel in those rods right there and get them out of the way. Just pick it up and get it out of the way. Never mind. Just hold on to it. Just hold on to it. He's strong.
It's so crazy that that fish has been right here.
Okay, let me see this. All right, I need you to hold on to this guy. All right, hold the rod tip up though, okay? Got him. God damn. Whew. That was a little harder than I thought it would be.
He's trying to get
Oh,
back.
here, hold him, because he will. They can crawl back. Okay. I'm gonna get my pliers. Okay. Yeah, I do or you do?
I do.
Okay, hold on. And pull the rope up. All right, drop the rope, but you can just put him back on the ground if he starts wiggling around, okay? Pick him up a little bit more. You gotta pick him up like where his head's off the ground.
Oh, yeah. Okay, because they're kind of zoomed in a little more, right?
Yeah.
See, I couldn't do that, babe. You got the balls.
This is a little baby one though. Got a little indentation right here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Alright guys, a little 4-footer. With my girlfriend. Let's let him go. There they go. Nice. Boom. He's tough. He could be a big soft shell, which is cool, but if it's a big hard shell, it sucks. Or it could be a big old alligator snapping turtle, which those are pretty rare.
I know what it is, but
He's big. Here, let's see. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, big old soft shell. That's cool. Those are really hard to bring in because their feet are like fins. Ooh, you got a big one. Okay, come over here to my left. Walk to my left. No wonder you couldn't gain on him. You got him.
got him right in the mouth.
No, you got him on his body. On his body, yeah. That's what they're really hard to bring in like that. You're good. Just hold the rod tip up. Dude, this is a big one. God, it's a monster.
Oh, done it.
Dang. Like, this is the biggest one I've ever seen out of here. Holy crap. Nah, I get it. Wow, this is like literally the biggest one I've ever seen around here. No wonder he's hard to gain on. You see his hands?
Yeah.
So they're like big fins. It's really hard to pull these guys in. And then sometimes when they're far out there too, it makes you feel like they got a fish because they fight pretty good. Wow. That's crazy. And they're soft shells because you feel their shell. See how, feel how soft it is? Yeah, that's how they call it, soft shells. Yeah, just grab right here, okay? Because one thing about these turtles, grab a little bit further back because they do have long necks.
Right here?
Oh, yeah, right there is good. That's a big one, man.
Hurry up. It's gonna scratch me.
That's crazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? God, this is a monster. This is a monster. Go crawl back. Dang, dude, that is big. I haven't seen one that big in a while. He'll fix him. Fuck it. No way! Oh, I thought he broke me off. I was about to be like, no way. Turtle had that one probably. Big one. Went fishing with the family this weekend. Brought out my son, my girlfriend, and stepdad to try to get them on some fish. For Easter weekend, we caught some fish, but not the size I was after. I'm gonna try to finish up this carp here. Only got a couple more pieces left, and see if I can make anything happen and land one more fish for the weekend. I'll pick this one up because this one was getting hit as soon as the other one was getting hit. Okay. Okay, this one definitely has a fish on it. If it's a gar, they've been really finicky today. Please don't lose this fish. Ooh, this is a bigger one, guys. See if we can get him up. See how big he really is. Oh yeah, he's a good one. I'm gonna back up. Try to get my rope and my boots on. Got a feeling I'm about to get wet. Please don't break off. Not as big as I thought he was, but definitely a good size. Good 4-footer. Fat one. Oh yeah, he's a good fat 4-footer. Oh, I got another one on my other line. Let's see how quick I can get this taken care of. Gonna let that one take its time. He might have dropped it right there. Got him. Oh, he's a good 5-footer. Wow. All right, let me reel in my other rods because, oh God, I might have another one. Nope, stick fish. All right, good. Stick fish was biting my line, guys. 5-foot stick fish, PB as well. Let's see what I got on rod number 3. All right, lay that one right there. Stick fish. Ooh, I think that's a 6-foot stick fish. Yeah, 6-foot PB right there, guys. Look that, check that out. Okay. Whew. Oh. All right, guys, mission complete for today. I think a good 5-footer. That, man. Nice alligator gar. Mission accomplished on Easter weekend, guys. Oh yeah. All right, let's let them go. There you go. There you go. Back to where you came from. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Caught fish over the weekend, which is great. Oh snap, I think I ran into a gar on the way in. Sometimes as I'm reeling in, I'll run into one. I think it just snags right over their back. But awesome weekend with the family. About to go eat some fajita and shrimp cocktails and all sorts of goodies. Man, freaking turtles just tearing me up today. But hope you enjoyed the video. Ow. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video and catch y'all next time. Peace.